In today's video, I'm going to show you how to truncate text in Webflow so your content stays clean, professional, and visually consistent across your site. Text truncation is especially useful for blog cards, CMS lists, product grids, and any layout where long text can break your design. If you've ever had headings or paragraphs overflow or push your layout out of alignment, this video is going to solve that problem fast. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside the Webflow designer, and by the end, you'll be able to apply truncation with an ellipsis in just a few clicks. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Webflow tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Webflow and navigate to the site where you want to truncate text. Once your project loads in the Webflow designer, go to the page that contains the text you want to control. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or text inside a CMS collection item. Click directly on the text element you want to truncate, so it's selected on the canvas. It's important that the correct text element is selected because truncation settings are applied through styles. With the text selected, look over to the right-hand side and click on the Style panel. This is where all your design and typography controls live. Inside the Style panel, scroll down until you reach the Typography section. This section controls how your text behaves visually, including font size, line height, and advanced options. In the Typography section, click on the More Type Options button. This expands additional settings that aren't visible by default. Once these options are open, look for the Truncate Style option. This setting allows Webflow to limit how much text is shown inside the element. Click on the Truncate Style option and you'll see options for how the text should be shortened. Select the Ellipsis option so that Webflow replaces the overflow text with 3 dots at the end. This clearly shows users that the text continues beyond what's visible. After selecting Ellipsis, click on Apply to enable the truncation style. You should immediately see the text cut off cleanly with an ellipsis at the end. If you don't see the effect right away, make sure the text element has a fixed width or is inside a container that limits its size, since truncation only works when there's a defined space. You can now reuse this style on other text elements or apply it to CMS items for consistent layouts across your site. And that's it. You've successfully truncated text in Webflow using built-in typography settings. This is a simple but powerful technique that can dramatically improve the look of your designs. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Webflow tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.